Effectively clean every room in your home with this powerful Dyson V10 cordless vacuum cleaner. The 60-minute battery life gives you full power cleaning for an entire hour, so you can easily clean your entire home without the restrictions of a cord. You can enjoy hygienic emptying of extracted dirt thanks to the clever point and shoot mechanism. The slim design allows you to aim and eject in one fluid action, expelling all of your dirt and debris whilst keeping your hands clean. The whole system filtration is fully sealed, which prevents dust, allergens and bacteria from escaping once extracted. 99.97% of dust particles as small as 0.3 microns are retained, leaving the air you breathe cleaner, so you can be sure that your home is tidy and fresh. With a helpful handheld mode, perfect for those harder to clean areas, you can feel confident that your entire home will receive a deep clean with this Dyson V10 cordless vacuum cleaner.